Holy potato blast and pancakes, you guys. Have you ever had one of those days where your makeup just will not work out? I just filmed the Throwback Thursday video for this week, and I shit you not, it was the biggest challenge of my life. So frustrating. Holy crap. Anyway, so today we are going to go over my experience with KL Polish. I did order from them for the first time because I really was kind of digging their Ethereal Garden line, their new spring line. So if you don't know anything about KL Polish, I will link their business page down below. Essentially, Kathleen Lights has come out with KL Polish, Kathleen Lights Polish, and I really like Kathleen Lights, so I wanted to support her business and kind of throw my experience in the ring here. So as per usual, we will go over shipping, we will go over product, we will go over everything. I am wearing 2 of the shades today. I have been wearing them since last Thursday. I am filming this on Sunday. Was it Thursday or Friday? I think Thursday. I'm gonna go with Thursday. Okay, so to get started, this is the collection. This is what it looks like. It's beautiful. I have a few things. So I wrote my notes down here. You know how it goes, my ugly ass notebook. So I ordered on March 20th. Cool, everything goes well, order goes through quickly. They take PayPal, cool. The shipment notification came 3 days later on the 23rd. Again, cool, tracking, cool, all good. I don't find a few days between order and shipping a big deal. Some people really don't like it. I'm not bothered by it. I did receive it on April 6th. So this is actually 14 days after the shipping notification, which even still, I'm not that hurt about. It comes from, let's see here. It comes from California. So I'm feeling like everything that's coming from California is taking about 2 weeks to ship these days. I'm not sure if they're just really busy or what's going on, but about standard 2 weeks from California, from ColourPop, Juvia's Place, and my previous orders that I've had done. My total transaction took 17 days from order to receiving. They did charge me customs again. So basically how the pricing has worked out is I paid $45 US for the actual set. And just so everyone can see, I did get it, it's here. My total bill was $99.87 after customs, which I'm not super pumped about. The shipping was $8.95 and then I paid customs of $17.94, and technically the product was only $45 US. So I realized that there's some conversion in here, but this does work out to a price of $16 per bottle when all is said and done, so tax, shipping, duties, customs, everything. I don't know if $16 a bottle is any kind of good value to me, personally. So my actual shipping experience was not good. They shipped in a bubbler. Why would you ever ship glass bottles in a bubbler? It's just an envelope, there was nothing in it. I have actually sent them feedback as well, and we're gonna get to that. The box came wrapped in black tissue paper, and there was a little postcard that came with a little note from Kathleen Lights. It is printed, it's not actually her writing. Still cute, I appreciate it. Now on to the actual product. So I'm going to preface all of my negative comments by saying I actually do like the formula. It did end up working out for me. That being said, this is how the box came. It came completely crunched and smunched. I cannot take pictures of it because it looks like total shit. Each corner is mashed. So fine, it's just a box. It doesn't really affect the product. However, when I was standing in Rexall and I was actually picking up the product, I could smell it through the package. And then I was starting to get concerned that they were all smashed because it was in a bubbler. But no, it was not all smashed. Only Pinky was damaged. Pinky was open and it was running everywhere. So that is really the only unfortunate part of this, other than the box being smashed. I did reach out to them. I reached out to them on Friday night and requested a replacement and give them some shipping feedback. They did respond the next day saying, no problem, we're so sorry, we will reship you the one shade. I'm totally okay with that, and they did also say that they were very sorry, but they couldn't reship me the box. I didn't ask for the box to be reshipped, and they did say they are looking at shipping in actual boxes as opposed to the bubble envelopes. So again, like I said, this is a $16 a bottle run for me at this point. because I lost the one shade as well because it's now too dry to actually use. It's really, really nasty. I'm going to insert the swatches of all of these. I've done like a little bit of a swatch on a nail file. It's not a nail file. Why can't I talk? So each one of these is 12 milliliters of product. In comparison, Essie is 13.5 milliliters. They range about $8.99 per bottle. OPI is 15 milliliters. They are about $8.99 to $12.99 depending where you're buying them from, and China Glaze was 14.5 milliliters. So in the grand scheme of things, it's actually more expensive and you're getting less products, but I have been wearing these for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I have worked out 3 times. I have done dishes 4 times. I have cleaned. I have played with my dogs, walked the dogs, and this seems like a weird thing to point out, but the leash catches my nails all the time and it always rips my nail polish off. Not to mention any kind of standard nail polish that is not shellac, and even shellac really only lasts a day or 2 on me before it chips. I only have 1 chip on this finger, and that actually happened when I dragged this finger across pavement. I can't even remember what I was doing. I think I was playing with the dogs outside, but I literally had to drag it across pavement. I did have the Formula X top coat over this, but I do wear Formula X top coat over any nail polish I have other than shellac. So I do believe that the formula is fan-freaking-tastic. So the colors that it comes with are Pinky, which is the one that was damaged and I don't have a swatch for. I also have Gum Would Be Perfection, Miss Kensington, which is what I am wearing, Celine, Dream Boy, and Charmed. So for Dream Boy, I did actually have Kelly do her toenails with it. Kelly is my best friend. She is also running from Thursday to now, and there are no chips, there is no damage. It honestly has dried really, really fast as well. It's another point to make, is it dried so fast. I love the brush style with this. The reason I love the brush style is because when you're doing my nails specifically, I have massive nail beds, which is a really annoying thing when you're trying to do your nails with a skinny brush. This is a wide, flat brush, and when you go to wipe it down, it actually covers the whole nail. And on my thumbnails, which are massive, it is 2 swipes instead of 5. By the time I am done painting my thumbnails normally with a standard size brush, you know, those really skinny ones, the other half is dry, and then I'm starting to pull the partially dry nail polish and it never goes on smoothly. All in all, I'm not pleased with the shipping experience, but I really do actually love the nail polishes, and I'm very proud of Kathleen Lights and her formulation. I don't know if she specifically worked on it. I'd have to look up more information, but holy crap, the formula is actually amazing. If you live in the States, I would probably recommend picking up some polish from them. But if you live in Canada, I don't know if it's worth it for you. I'm gonna see how many days I can actually get out of this manicure. If it makes it to a week, I may actually invest more in it. Because I have a shellac system, but I don't really wear it that much because I feel like it damages my nails, which are not very good to begin with. My one last point I would like to make is that when I did reach out to them and their response time was so quick, she really didn't respond with much else other than, hey, no problem, we will resend it to you, but please send us a picture, which is fine. I would have asked for the same thing, and I expect that of a company when they're doing replacements. But when I responded, I did make mention that I was on YouTube and was asking about the box, and she did immediately kind of change her tune. She was never rude to me, ever. She was very just to the point. She did send me a very long email in response apologizing for her short answer in her first email and about how much she cares about the customer and she's just trying to get through the tickets. And there was a big long apology, which I have no issue with the original email at all, so I didn't really find necessary. It does kind of make me wonder if it was because I mentioned I was on YouTube or if it was just because she is genuinely really sorry that she only sent me a 2-line email back, which is totally fine either way. They did resolve the issue quite quickly. I have, like I said, done the swatches, so I will insert those after this. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are liking these types of shipping experiences to Canada and the overall experience with the packaging, etc., please let me know down below, and if there's anything you would like me to review specifically and bring to Canada, you please let me know because I would love to do that too.